itself. I don't know if you've ever been over there or not. It is magical. I don't care what they say. They can't do it enough justice. But we're going to get a friend of ours up here. Come on up here. This is accordion Mike. Does everybody know accordion Mike? Michael Gutin? Yeah. There he comes. You know, we've done a little bit of everything here at the festival this weekend. We've had clarinets, we've had polka music, but I don't think we've had an accordion yet.
That's right. We're about to change that.
I think we're gonna have just a little accordion music, and I did this here when I was with Dan Curry last year, and Mike came up and played. I didn't realize when I wrote this I was writing an accordion tune. Had no idea, just didn't know. But anyway, here's a little bit of Walk in the Irish Rain.
Old lights come on at night, so Sawmill Street's all turning cold. Gentle mist on heaven-kissed, like the rocks off the ranges wind. Don't you know your cleanse your soul and walk in the Irish rain? Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I got 3 pounds and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again. And when I get too drunk to sing, we'll walk in the Irish rain. My sailing days have over the road through time and time, and by your side together we'll go home. Do my seat out in the bed, brought these pretty flowers home. This we came to celebrate before the blue has gone. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, you got 3 pounds and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again. When I get too drunk to sing, we'll walk in the Irish rain. Center, they all get together and they start to play. Time stand still while they sing their fill or shout till the break of day. Sweet little lady with her glasses stout, sipping it down till the foam runs out. She'll help her old man home again with a walk in the Irish rain. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I got 3 pounds and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again. And when I get too drunk to sing, we'll walk in the Irish rain. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I've got 3 pounds and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again. When I get too drunk to sing, we'll walk in the Irish rain, we'll walk in the Irish rain.
Yes, indeedy. He'll be signing cigarettes at the autograph machine right after the show.